Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is MF Dividend Stocks. I'm your host, Joe. Really good video today. Let's get into it. First off, 23 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Keep subscribing as we keep going. It was up and down. It was at 24, so I think I gained a subscriber, then I lost a subscriber, then I gained 2 subscribers. I'm back at 23. I appreciate it. Hope you guys can deal with me. This is the new mic. If you guys like it, let me know. Or if it don't sound any different, I don't know. It sounds better to me. I tested it a couple times. If there's any problems with it, let me know. It works out a lot better. I love the way it's set up. Before it was in the way of the monitor. I couldn't see crap. It was hard. And I'm hoping I can get this up going with a camera soon. If I can't figure out this, I'm going to have to get another mic. Like a shotgun mic for the camera. Which, yes, could be a waste of money. But I'll try to get this one to work for the camera first. I have an idea. But like that's a couple weeks away. Let me know if you guys have any information on good shotgun microphones, just in case. I'm not trying to go crazy, maybe like $100 or so. I'm thinking about a Rode one that I saw for like $120. But we're gonna do a lot on this probably. Next thing up, Twitter. Damn it, there's like nobody that wants to join my Twitter. I understand. It'll grow slow. It'll get there. But if you want, links below. Okay, Robinhood. This is like an update on what some stocks that I bought, some stocks I switched around, and I'm getting my first dividend payment. Two of them. I'm pretty excited. I got like 1321 in here. This has been going up and down, but today, what I got? For one day, I made $5 in the after hour. I lost $4.23. Oh, yeah, whatever. But this is what we want to do. We want to, right now, we're building up a tight portfolio. If you saw how to retire starting at 43, whatever I named my last video, go check the channel. It's a pretty good video. There's one little thing I wanted to say. It was about the part, I'm pretty sure I said it. I don't think I cut it out, where I was saying that it's hard to average how dividends going to be in the future because there's so many factors. To me, it is true, everything I looked and I found. But I have an idea on how it could work. So if you would like to see a video on that, it's going to be a real estimate. Like how to gauge, say like 20 years from now, how your dividend payouts will be. There's tons of factors. And it'll probably be a little weird and I don't know. It could be a good video. It could give you some kind of baseline of what to think. But it's going to be rough. I don't see a lot of video. I even checked for videos out there. I couldn't really find nothing how to estimate it. So I thought up this plan. I think I can do it for you guys. If you want, it's a real rough estimate. Don't hold me to it. All right. So we've been doing good with the stocks. We've been going in, going out, putting some stuff in. Haven't gotten any free stocks lately. Still waiting for one person to, I don't know, redeem it or finish it out. Some person signed up, but they didn't like finish the sign up or something. So that could be eventually one free stock. But if you're looking for a free stock, hit the link below. All right, let's go to the account. All right, I don't have a lot of buying power because I buy every time I get a chance. All right, so I thought this would be kind of fun to go over this stuff. Oh, stock options, 96%, 1317. That's pretty much stocks like what I have invested, and this is my cash flow. So it's like, boom, it's all in there. All right, so I figured this is a nice little breakup. I didn't even know this was here. I guess this is where Robinhood Gold because I wasn't paying attention. So I did sign up for the 30-day free trial. And you guys tell me if you guys have it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I think it's kind of cool. It's another way to break it down. $5 a month. Yes, it's cutting into my dividend profits. I totally understand. But hopefully I can get past $5 pretty quick because the other things, like dividends.com is 100. That's a lot a month. That was a deal on 100. It's like 150. Simply Safe Dividends is like, what, $3 something or $400? So this might be something. It comes from Morningstar. It seems pretty good. I don't know. I might look into Morningstar and see if they have a subscription service, or maybe I can start pairing this Morningstar up with the other Morningstar. All right, so let's go. Comcast. Total return. I like leaving on total returns just so I can see what's happening. That's 920, pretty good. Emerson's already 912. I just bought those 2 stocks, so that's fucking pretty sweet. We'll be looking at my my dividends coming in really soon. Coca-Cola, we just got the one. It's up. Groupon just kind of went up lately because I think I got it for 89 cents. That's one of the stocks that I'm trying to get to double in our little had 2x your money within a year. It's just a fun thing. But that's one of them right there. Camp is up. That's another one to double. My average cost is oh yeah, it tells my average cost right here. Groupon, oh yeah, 88 cents. There you go. I should look at this better. Camp is up there, like it's up $2.46. But that's even going up. But granted, I'm pretty sure these are going to drop because this whole thing's not over yet. But if these are going up, at least they're going in the right direction. GMC is, like, for that challenge. Other than that, I hope they go down more, so other ones, so I can make money. Ford, they're not paying dividends right now. Hopefully they'll come back. Every time I get a little extra cash, I kind of throw it in there. I got, what, $4.38. If I had enough to buy a Ford stock, I would probably throw it in there just for the hell of it. I'm thinking for Ford, what I'm seeing during these downtimes, like Ford is cutting their dividends. Those companies that are cutting their dividends right now, I'm going to keep track of them. If I can get a profit, say, like, as a growth stock, kind of say in a downtime, get 30, 40, 300, $400, whatever it would be, and get 30 or 40 stocks, I'm not keeping them long term. Like Ford, I don't think I'm keeping long term. I can't have that as part of my portfolio for retirement and have them cut their dividends on me. That's not a solid company. That's why I think the difference is when you see those Microsofts, you see those AT&Ts, it's lower dividends. Not really AT&T, I forgot the other one. Oh, Apple. They're lower, that's what I meant to say. They're lower dividends, but they pay through the tough times still. So you look at those aristocrats, you look at those other ones, they're lower dividends. So you build yourself up with a little, like, 20, 30% of those higher dividends. Then you start banging in those low ones. Right now, I'm trying to make a push since the down market, so I'm trying to get a little risky here. I'm not saying follow what I do. I'm not an advisor. We'll see at the end of the year how we pan out. Realty income. I gotta feel this is gonna take a hit, but I think it's gonna last. So I'm gonna keep dollar cost averaging my way in as we go. I got a feeling this is gonna be a rough one for like a year or so, but then after that, it's gonna come back. I could have waited longer, but I feel like my money's not in there. I'm not doing nothing with it. I'm not going to save up a chunk of 2,000 or something and just let it sit on the sidelines for this to drop to like 40 or 45 and then buy. I'm going to put it in these things, so I might as well, when I have time, put them in there. I try to buy the ones on sales. That's my plan. So, like, say, all these ones in red are ones I would look at. Like, say, Hertz, I'm thinking about buying more than them. That's part of the thing. Like, Carnival, I'm thinking about buying more than them, but I really didn't want to mess with these stocks. I wanted to leave them what I bought them at and see it because these are part of the challenge and just see what happens. PowerShare, yeah, is down. They're going to take a hit because of the oil. That's what I heard. They took a hit because of the oil. I'm not worried about that. Wells Fargo, I'm going to probably dollar cost my average in a way again. This is, what, price and average cost? My average cost is too high. I might take advantage of this and buy like 3 or 4 more of these. I believe Wells Fargo is just going to be around. Other than that, there's really not too much going on here. This is the pending stock I'm waiting for right here. Dividends, 94 cents for SPHD, my ETF. Sweet, I'm really excited about that. That is freaking awesome. Dividend Comcast, $1.84. Fucking awesome. That's the only dividends. These are my first 2 dividends coming in. This one's coming in. It's supposed to be coming in like now, so it's just pending to go through. And this one's going to go through in a couple of days. So I just found out about this one today. So this has been on there for like a week or 2, but I just haven't seen it yet. So with this, and my 4 something, I can pay my $5 in Robinhood. That's pretty cool. I'm really excited about that. Let's see what else we got. Dividends just here. Orders. That's orders that I did. Yeah, I bought 3 shares of. This is something I guess you guys didn't see. I bought 3 shares of S&P HD, and I just got that on April 20th. I think I didn't do a video on that yet, so this is kind of the video for that. Rewards. Oh, this is the rewards I want to show you. This is the Microsoft thing, just in case anybody had any weird kind of thing on how I got it. That's how I got the Microsoft. I got 148. I sold that 167, 168, which probably, I probably should have bought. And then my first free stock when I joined was SunPower, and that was $6. So I sold that, sold out, and I'm waiting for one more. So that looks pretty good. If you guys want, we can look really quick at the overall total. On the day, I'm up 5. Kind of after hours, I'm down. On the week, This has been working real slow. What's going on with this today? On the week, I'm down 37, which I'm totally fine with. On the month, I'm at 0. No, I was up 152. I was going to worry about that. I was up 152, and I think that's about it. Yeah, because everything else is to be at 152 still. So I got it in a good spot. Got the good free stock. That definitely helped me out a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Holla at your boy on Twitter. He's only got 2 followers. I miss you guys. Nobody talks to me no more. Later.